Hey, what's up? Hello and welcome again to Build This Game. And yeah, we're uploading after 1 month. I know because of the same exam stuffs still there. And yeah, we're finally back again. And I'm happy to announce that this time we're gonna make one of your ideas. Just see.
সেরা ভাই নেক্সট টাইম একটা কুনাই আর শুরিকেন টাইপের কিছু ট্রাই করতে পারিস, হেভি হবে।
First of all, thanks for the idea ভাই, সেরা। আর বানাবো অবশ্যই, এবারেই বানাবো। So today I'm gonna make a kunai. What's a kunai? Bam, that's a kunai. Yeah, you love Naruto, right? So yes, we're just gonna make that weapon, and he gave us the idea. Shuriken coming soon, probably. First of all, we're gonna make a kunai today, and without wasting any further time, roll the intro.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me, you gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret.
It was at this exact moment I realized that I messed up again. Yeah, again I gotta cut the wood from the middle. The wood was just too much thick again. And why am I repeating again? Go check the video and claps to me.
I've got something left and I'm not giving in, I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically, studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me, I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something, I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in, I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Okay, time for some gloss finish. So I'm just going to apply a clear coat around it. Oh, love that sound. Let's just do it. Perfect.
I'm not giving in, I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Peace. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and it was really fun making these stuffs, you know. More stuffs coming soon, and thanks to Pratik, thanks for the suggestion, it was really nice. I hope you're doing well. Yes, just keep giving us suggestions what we should make next time. Oh my, that's heat. And we'll definitely try to make some of your suggestions. And right now, that's it for the video. And you know, that's it. There's nothing else to say. So stay safe, stay at home, keep building stuffs. Peace out for now. Bye.